What's good, y'all? What's happening, man? It's FLYEERRKicks, and welcome back to the channel. Now, if this is your first time here, man, I appreciate you for stopping by. Feel free to hit that subscribe button, man. Hit the notification bell so you don't miss out. Drop a like, drop a comment if you like the content. And last but not least, man, I got my IG name listed right here down below. Head over to IG, man. Give me a follow. Let's interact on there as well. Now, let's jump right into it, man. Y'all seen the title. Y'all seen the thumbnail. Man, let's get it. Today, I have not only one, but both pairs of the Union Jordan 1 Low KOs, man. Now, these joints released like last week, if I'm not mistaken, on February the 2nd, man. I got both pairs. I got the leather pair here, the canvas pair here. Which one y'all want to see first, man? Which one y'all want to see? Leather, canvas? Let's go canvas. Let's go with the GR, the one that most people will have, the one most people will have the most access to. Let's go canvas real quick. Get into the box, man. Both boxes are the exact same. Has that gold Jumpman chain on the top that wraps around to the back of the box. Both sides of the box say Union on them, written in that metallic gold as well. And that tag reads AJKO 1 Low SP white, neutral gray, and cell. Now, like I said, this is a 9.5. I was able to grab these joints from one of my homies that wanted a pair. And let's get into it, man. Now, this is the canvas pair, like I said, man. Opening the box, it has that white paper with the gold chains on it with the Union Jumpman sign on there. On the inside of the box top, it has that Union Jumpman logo. Some super dope packaging on these. Just to start off, man, the packaging on here is A1. Both shoes come wrapped up in the white paper. Now, let's get into it, man. Let's get into it. Let me unwrap this one. Here we have the Air Jordan 1 Low KO Union. This is the canvas colorway. It's like a light cell and gray colorway all the way around. Neutral gray, white, cell. Really basic, really neutral shoe. Definitely some solid materials. This shoe is a lot better in person than I personally expected. I didn't really check for these. I didn't really desire for a personal, but seeing these in hand, they are solid. They are solid. On the inside of the shoe, man, it has a gray insole with the white Cindy Portier Union logo. It has like cell wax laces. On that tongue, it's like a gray suede on the top of the tongue, and canvas on the bottom of the tongue. Has a white tongue tag with a gray Nike stitched in. And if you can see under those laces, it has their signature Union stitching. They did half and half on the tongue this time. Like they did on the AJ1 High, they kind of had like a half and half-ish looking model on the Jordan 1 High. They did add their stitching here on the tongue as well. Get into the side of the shoe, man. It is canvas all the way around. Every panel is canvas. It has the gray swooshes that came factory installed on there. The cell midsole, neutral gray outsole. Those swooshes are suede, pretty decent suede. Nothing too crazy, but some pretty decent suede on there. The back of the shoe has a white leather heel tab with the AJKO embossed in gray. Super clean shoe, bro. I'm not gonna lie to you. I definitely was not checking for these. I did not grab a personal in these joints, man. My homies wanted them, so I grabbed them for them. But I'm not gonna say I'm having regrets, but I can see why people would definitely want to rock these. I don't have any Jordan 1 Lows in the collection, no Travis. I used to have like Chicago's and Breds back in the day, but I ended up getting rid of those. But I don't have any Jordan 1 Lows, man. So if I come across these for like a super steal, I'm not gonna lie, I may keep them, but I'm not really checking for these, man. This canvas pair in particular is clean, but I do see how this joint would get dirty super fast. It's a cloth canvas material, man. You spill one thing on there and it's over. So y'all know how that goes. So definitely spray these down with your crepe and your repellent sprays and things like that, bro. You're gonna need it with this shoe. Now, they did add their signature yellow gold stitching on the front outside of the shoe as well, man. Just adding that Union touch. And these joints are solid, man. It has that Union LA tag, just like they have on every single release that they've done with Nike and Jordan brand. That's just their signature, man. And Union has been killing it, man. Jordan and Nike have been giving them a bunch of random different models to play with. I know the Cortez didn't do really well on the aftermarket, but as far as it being just a Cortez, it did look really well. I don't know any Cortez that have like sold out and resold besides like the Kendrick Lamar pair. But these shorts are clean, bro. Like, they did their thing on these, and I'm not mad at Union. I'm not mad at the people that are looking for these to wear, bro. This joint is clean, bro. Now, with the price tag of 150 bucks, they are kind of pricey, I guess. Still very affordable, but kind of pricey. With the premium materials and with the extras, I can see how the price is justified. Now on the inside of the left shoe, it has the neutral gray insole with the Jumpman sign. And as far as extras, they did supply a pair of extra neutral gray laces, and they supplied a pair of royal bluish swooshes to replace the gray swoosh. Now if you didn't know, the swooshes do come off. They are Velcro. Underneath the Velcro, it has the Union LA branding all the way across. So that's super dope as well, man. The gray comes factory installed. It has the blue as well. And like I said, it does have neutral gray laces. So they do give you like some options to play with on this shoe. So you don't have to keep it really plain with the white and gray. You can add a little flavor with the blue. You can add a little flavor with the gray laces, man. I'm not mad at these at all, man. So shout out to Chris Gibbs, shout out Union. Y'all did a good job on these. I know it wasn't just crazy hype. But as far as resale on these, retail was $150. Resale right now is around $180 to $210 across all size ranges. So still very affordable. If you're gonna grab them for retail, you're gonna pay, I believe, $18 to $20 for shipping. So you're looking at $170 plus tax in some areas. So I mean, you definitely can still grab these for just around the price that you would have grabbed them off the website. Now the last detail I want to touch on with this canvas pair, man, the inside of the tongue is exposed, has that yellow foam exposed, just like they have been doing with a lot of the off-whites and with the Union 4s and things like that, man. But overall, bro, super clean shoe. Like I said, this is the canvas pair. Now let's hop into the details of the leather pair. Now here we are with the leather pair, man. The exact same box, man. Chain and medallion on the front, chain in the back. Union, Jumpman on the open side of the box. Kind of hard to see with that shiny gold, but Jordan right there. And this tag on this pair reads Ajko 1 Low SP Cell Neutral Gray and Muslin. This is the leather pair. Now let's get right into it, man. Same packaging, same paper, white paper with the gold chains. Exact same box with the Jordan and Union logo on the box top. Let's get into the shoes, man. Now let's get into the leather pair, man. Here we have the Union Jordan 1 KO. The leather pair has leather on that toe box, as you can see. Some pretty nice tumble leather. Leather on that side panel and all the way around to the heel. On the actual heel tab, it's in a nice suede. It's like a low suede, nothing real back and forth, no brush motion on that, with the white Ajko embossed in there. And on the front part, it has that same kind of low suede here. And on the side panel, some slight back and forth motion, but nothing too crazy. This one is all leather, little bitty hits of suede. Super dope on this one as well. If I had to keep one, it'd definitely be this one. This one will last a lot longer. Just with it being leather, it won't get dirty as quick. The suede might be a little sensitive, but nothing like that canvas material at all. Now getting into the swooshes, man, it has navy blue suede swooshes factory installed on here. Has the same detail with the Union underneath. Has an all cell midsole, all cell outsole, man. I think that's what I like about this shoe the most, is the all cell one color outsole. This one is really dope. The white and gray on the canvas pair looks good too, but I like this cell on this outsole. Has that same tongue with the stitching half and half, like nylon right here, with the suede up top on the half and half stitching on the tongue. Has that white tongue tag with the gray stitched in, Sidney Poitier, and it has like a tan insole on this pair. Getting into the extras on the other shoe, like I said, it had navy swooshes already installed. It comes with extra green swooshes. These are suede as well. And it also comes with a tan pair of laces to match that tan insole on the inside of the shoe. It has Jumpman on the left shoe with the Union Sidney Poitier on the right shoe, man. These joints are clean, bro. I think I like the leather pair a lot better. Still not super duper mad that I don't have my size, but if I had to keep one, it would definitely be these, man. The leather is nice and soft. I like the nice suede touches on here. I like the eye stays with the rivets, the holes in the eye stay, man. These joints are clean, man. I can't lie to you. My favorite detail would probably have to be the all cell outsole and midsole, though. That's a very nice touch on this shoe. And like I said earlier about the canvas pair, they still added their signature yellow stitching on the shoe as well, man. Just adding that Union touch. And these are solid, bro. I can see why people wanted these. I was really on the fence about them earlier. Didn't really see the excitement and the hype about them, but they sold out quick. The leather pair sold out first for sure. And now as far as pricing, these released at $150 as well, same price as the other pair. But this resale is going for between $250 and $300 across the board. We'll see how that price shifts as pairs get shipped out and people get their pairs in hand. We'll see what the market turns into, but this is definitely the money pair out of the pack if you're looking at it as far as resale value. But this one is clean, bro. I think I like the look of the canvas pair better, but I like the details and the materials on this one just a little bit better, bro. But both clean, both very neutral, man. You can get off plenty of different fits with these joints. And it's a really good shoe. I think it'll be a good shoe leading up into the spring, into the summer, man. Super dope, neutral color Jordan 1 Low, man. You can't go wrong with these joints. But now that you've seen both pair of these joints, man, we got the canvas pair on the bottom and the leather pair on top. Which one are you more inclined to cop? Which one are you more inclined to keep? Or which one did you cop already, man? Y'all let me know. Leave a comment down below. Let me know how you guys are feeling about these. Are they both a cop or neither one a cop, man? Just let me know. I want to hear opinions, bro. Like I said earlier, I wasn't really sold on them before I got them in hand, but I definitely can see why these pairs are kind of sought after, and I can see why people will want these joints, man, for sure. But overall, man, that just about wraps it up for this video, man. Just wanted to give you guys a quick unboxing, man, of both of the Unions, the canvas Jordan 1 Low KO and the leather Jordan 1 Low KO, man. Do me a favor, just leave me a comment down below. Give me some feedback. Let me know how you guys are feeling about these joints. And let me know if they're heat, hype, or overrated, man. Just drop a comment down below. But like I said, this is going to wrap it up for this joint, man. We got the Union KO, canvas pair, and the leather pair. Leave a comment down below. Let me know which ones you guys are rocking with. Until next time on the next video, man. Peace.